Cleaning. It's not always the most exciting thing in the world, is it? Imagine a room bursting with color, bright yellows, playful blues, and energetic greens. Toys lie scattered about, clothes peek out from under the bed, and maybe there's even a stray sock or two on the lampshade. But what if we could make tidying up just as exciting as playtime itself? Let's transform cleaning from a chore into a thrilling adventure, an expedition into the heart of our own colorful kingdoms. So put on your imaginary cleaning capes, grab your magic wands or maybe just a colorful bin, and get ready to transform your space into a clean and happy haven. Every good adventure needs a team of heroes, and our cleaning crusade is no different. Let's meet the stars of our show. First up, we have a bright-eyed, cheerful child bursting with energy and ready to tackle any mess with a smile. Next, we have their trusty sidekick, a playful pet, always eager to lend a paw in the quest for a tidy space. Together, this dynamic duo will show us that cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. It can be an opportunity to bond, to laugh, and to create lasting memories. Remember those fairy tales where ordinary objects come to life? Well, get ready to experience that same enchantment as we uncover the magic hidden within our cleaning supplies. Imagine colorful bins transforming into hungry hippos, eagerly gobbling up toys and clothes. Picture feather dusters twirling like graceful ballerinas, banishing dust bunnies with every pirouette. So let's sprinkle a little imagination, add a dash of laughter, and watch as cleaning transforms from a chore into an enchanting adventure. Our adventure begins in Toyland, a land often ruled by joyous chaos. Look around, what do you see? Stuffed animals piled high, toy cars racing in every direction. But even the most playful explorers need a little order in their kingdoms. Our first mission, should we choose to accept it, is sorting. Yes, sorting might sound a bit like a grown-up word, but it's really just a fun way to play detective with our toys. By sorting, we're not just tidying up, we're creating a sense of order that makes it easier to find our favorite playmates when adventure calls. Now that we've sorted our toys into their respective groups, it's time to introduce them to their new homes, colorful bins bursting with personality. Imagine bright red bins with toothy grins, eager to gobble up all those cuddly stuffed animals. Picture sleek blue bins, sleek as race cars, ready to house our collection of speedy vehicles. As we place each toy into its designated bin, something magical happens. The room seems to sparkle, a sense of calm washing over the once chaotic landscape. By assigning a specific bin to each toy category, we're not just tidying up, we're creating a system, a playful map that makes finding our favorite toys a breeze. Sorting might seem like a simple task, but it's a powerful tool for young minds. It's about more than just putting things away. It's about making decisions, recognizing patterns, and developing a sense of order. As our little ones pick up each toy, they're engaging in a mental exercise, categorizing objects based on their similarities and differences. Each decision, no matter how small, helps to build critical thinking skills and fosters a sense of accomplishment. Who knew that tidying up could be such a brain booster? With our toys happily settled in their colorful bins, it's time for the final act of our Toyland transformation, arranging those bins for maximum playtime bliss. We might line up the bins along the wall, creating a colorful border that defines the play area. Or perhaps we'll stack them like building blocks, creating a towering fortress of fun. No matter our chosen arrangement, the key is to make sure every bin is easily accessible. By putting a little thought into our bin placement, we're setting the stage for countless hours of imaginative play. Next stop on our cleaning adventure, it's the land of laundry, a magical realm where clothes go on whirlwind journeys and emerge fresh and ready for action. Our dynamic duo, brimming with energy, eye the mound with a mix of amusement and determination. First things first, we need to gather our trusty tools. No, not climbing gear, silly. We'll be armed with colorful laundry baskets, each one grinning mischievously, ready to devour those clothes and whisk them away on a cleaning adventure. With every shirt sorted and every sock categorized, our laundry mountain begins to shrink, making way for a sense of accomplishment and a whole lot of folding fun. Sorting clothes might seem like a grown-up task, but it's actually a fantastic way for young minds to flex their decision-making muscles. Is this shirt stained with the remnants of a delicious spaghetti adventure? Into the dirty clothes basket it goes. Do these pants still smell like sunshine and fresh air from yesterday's playground escapade? They've earned a spot in the clean clothes basket. Sorting clothes isn't just about separating the dirty from the clean. It's about empowering young minds to make decisions, understand consequences, and take pride in contributing to a tidy and organized space. With our laundry mountain conquered and our clothes happily sorted, it's time to unveil the magic of folding. Imagine our clean clothes as playful puppies, all floppy ears and wagging tails, eager to be tucked in for a nap. We'll gently smooth out their wrinkles, just like stroking their soft fur, and fold them into neat little squares. First, the shirts. With a flick of the wrist and a gentle pat, they transform into perfect rectangles ready to be lined up like soldiers in formation. With every fold, a sense of satisfaction washes over us, as if we're creating a masterpiece of tidiness, one wrinkle-free wonder at a time. Hold your noses, everyone, because we're about to enter the land of trash. Don't worry, it's not as smelly as it sounds. In fact, with a little imagination, we'll transform this land of discarded treasures into a force for good. Our cheerful child and their furry sidekick, armed with brightly colored garbage bags, approach the scattered remnants of playtime with a twinkle in their eyes. They know that even trash deserves a proper send-off. With each item tossed inside, the monster burps out silly sounds, turning a mundane chore into a giggle-filled game. By teaching our little ones about recycling and composting, we're empowering them to become eco-warriors, protecting our planet one discarded wrapper at a time. Who's up for a treasure hunt? Not just any treasure hunt, but a great trash treasure hunt. Armed with garbage bags, we'll scour every nook and cranny, seeking out sneaky pieces of trash. Our cheerful child, transformed into a fearless explorer, leads the way, their furry sidekicks sniffing out stray crumbs and scraps of paper. Every piece of trash discovered is greeted with a triumphant cheer. We'll peek under furniture, peer behind curtains, and venture into toy bins, leaving no stone unturned in our quest for a spotless space. Cleaning up can be an adventure, a chance to flex our observation skills. As we embark on our great trash treasure hunt, we might encounter a few tricky situations. Sometimes toys get caught in the crossfire, mistaken for trash and destined for the garbage bag. But fear not, for our sorting superheroes are here to save the day. With their keen eyes and understanding of all things playful, they'll rescue those misplaced toys from the clutches of trash, ensuring that only true garbage makes its way to Trashville. Imagine a dramatic rescue scene, complete with heroic music and slow-motion action. Our cheerful child, with lightning reflexes, swoops in to snatch a beloved teddy bear from the brink of the garbage bag. "Not so fast, trash monster," they exclaim, their voice filled with mock seriousness. They carefully examine each item before banishing it to the trash bag, ensuring that only true garbage makes its final journey. Remember, even in the heat of a cleaning frenzy, it's important to take our time, to sort carefully, and to rescue those misplaced toys that bring us so much joy. After all, we wouldn't want to accidentally throw away a treasure. With our trash conquered and our toys back in their zones, it's time for the final act: sparkling surfaces. Armed with colorful cloths and eco-friendly spray, we'll transform dusty shelves and smudged tabletops into gleaming works of art. Our cheerful child, now a polishing pro, spritzes and wipes with enthusiasm, leaving behind a trail of sparkling clean. With each swipe, our space transforms, infused with freshness and light. A testament to the power of a little elbow grease and a lot of heart. A sparkling clean space is a happy space, a canvas for new adventures and endless possibilities. Our cleaning adventure is almost complete, but like any good detective story, we have a few loose ends to tie up. Look around, adventurers. Do you see any items that seem a little out of place? Maybe a lone crayon has wandered off from its box, or a stray book is feeling lonely, far from its bookshelf companions. It's time to play a game of lost and found, reuniting these wandering belongings with their rightful homes. With each item returned to its rightful place, a sense of order washes over the room as if everything is breathing a sigh of relief. Now for the grand finale, the moment we've all been waiting for, the sparkling symphony. Armed with our trusty cleaning cloths, we'll transform those tables, shelves, and surfaces into gleaming works of art. Imagine our cleaning cloths as magical wands, erasing smudges and fingerprints with every swipe. Our cheerful child, a conductor of cleanliness, leads the way, their every movement leaving behind a trail of sparkling clean. Watch as we banish those dust bunnies and unveil the hidden shine. They announce, their voice filled with excitement. With each swipe, a chorus of oohs and ahs fills the air as surfaces gleam under our touch. The sunbeams dance across the newly polished surfaces, reflecting our hard work and dedication to creating a sparkling, clean space. Remember, cleaning isn't just about removing dirt and grime. It's about revealing the hidden beauty that lies beneath. With a little elbow grease and a lot of heart, we can transform our spaces into gleaming havens of peace and joy. Step back, adventurers, and admire our handiwork. The toys stand in organized harmony, clothes rest peacefully in their drawers, trash has been banished to its distant land, and every surface gleams with newfound shine. A symphony of success fills the air, a testament to our teamwork, dedication, and a whole lot of fun. Our cheerful child and their furry sidekick, beaming with pride, strike a pose in the center of the transformed space. Confetti rains down from above as our animated cleaning supplies perform a celebratory jig. "We did it!" they exclaim in unison, their voices filled with triumph. We conquered the clutter, banished the dust bunnies, and transformed our space into a haven of cleanliness. Remember, cleaning isn't just about chores and checklists. It's about working together, having fun, and taking pride in our surroundings. And the best part? A clean and organized space sets the stage for countless new adventures, imaginative playdates, and endless possibilities. Wow, look at this transformation! Remember that mountain of toys, that sea of clothes, and those sneaky dust bunnies hiding in every corner? They've all disappeared, vanished like magic, and in their place, a clean, organized, and absolutely sparkling space. Our cheerful child and their furry friend, exhausted but exhilarated, plop down in the middle of their newly tamed wilderness, their faces lit up with pride and accomplishment. The air practically vibrates with a sense of peace and order, a testament to their hard work and dedication to the cleaning crusade. Sunlight streams through the windows, illuminating every corner, every neatly arranged shelf, every gleaming surface. It's as if the room itself is taking a deep breath of fresh air, reveling in its newfound cleanliness. Remember that feeling of dread, that sense of overwhelm that used to accompany the thought of cleaning? It's completely gone, replaced by a sense of calm, a feeling of being in control of our surroundings. And that, my friends, is the magic of cleaning. But wait, our cleaning adventure isn't over yet. Remember, tidying up isn't a one-time event. It's a journey, a never-ending adventure that we embark on every day. But don't worry, it doesn't have to feel like a chore. With the help of our cheerful child and their furry friend, we've learned that cleaning can be fun, engaging, and even a little bit magical. From sorting toys like a pro to folding clothes with a flourish, From banishing trash with a smile to polishing surfaces to a gleam, we've discovered that even the most mundane tasks can be transformed into playful adventures. So keep those cleaning capes handy, adventurers. Remember to call upon your inner sorting superheroes, your trash-busting skills, and your sparkling surface secrets whenever those dust bunnies threaten to take over. And most importantly, never forget to celebrate every small victory, every toy put away, every sock sorted, every crumb vanquished. Because a clean and happy space is a reflection of a happy and organized mind, ready to take on the world with a sparkling smile.